Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for the first time, possibly ever, I'm standing up during one of my videos. Sorry if my voice sounds like poop, it's because I'm a little bit sick. But why am I standing up? I'm standing in front of my closet. I realized that I don't have any room for my new clothes. Even though I now have a bigger closet in this house, I still don't have any room. So I think it's time to clean out my closet. And I normally do this every couple months. And then I donate everything. Since I was planning on cleaning out my closet anyway, I decided that I would put some things that I would normally be donating up on my Poshmark account for you guys, so you guys can buy them. And they're gonna be really cheap. Like normally I would just give them away, so I'm not gonna try to make you pay a bunch of money for all these things. It's not like I no longer like these pieces or I don't think they're cute anymore. That's not it. I just don't have room, so I figured it would be better if somebody else, they can go to a new happy home. If you don't have it already, make sure you go download Poshmark for free. The link to download it is in my bio. And you can shop my closet. Let's see, what is my closet's name? I'm so stuffy, it's ridiculous. My closet's name is @Rohinianlease, just like my Instagram, just like my YouTube. So if you want to shop some of the things that I'm putting up, then that's the place to go. And I also think I'm gonna do a video cleaning out my beauty drawers because those are full. I'm looking at them right now and it's filling me with dread because I literally have boxes of product just like piling out everywhere. So that's not good. That's not a good thing. Not a good look. Okay, let's get into it, shall we? Time to clean out the closet. Okay, let's see. So this half is mine and that half is Sage's, and his is like not even close to being full. Classic boy. Let's see, what do I have here? I see something that I probably will not wear again, but it's really pretty. This little dress, it's from Toby. It's really cute, I think. Like, really nice, nothing wrong with it. Flattering, but I haven't worn it in the last 6-7 months, so that's the clue to me that it's time to go to make room for somebody else. Yeah. This dress will be listed. Look at this cutie pie. Goodbye, dress. Here's another thing. This is so cute. I mean, I love how it looks. I think it's super girly and like just fun. I got it thrifting in Nebraska, but I just haven't worn it. I think it doesn't fit my boobs really well. I thought it would when I first bought it, but all the times I tried to wear it, it just looks funky on my boobs, so I think it's also time to go for this guy. Another dress. This guy I wore to my brother's wedding, or no, my brother's rehearsal dinner or something for his wedding last summer, and it was really cute and it served a good purpose, but I don't really like wearing pink. I think I got it just because it's like festive for a wedding, but I don't really like wearing pink, so I haven't worn it again. But I only wore this once. It's from the brand Luca, which I'm pretty sure is kind of a nice brand from Nordstrom. You gotta be ruthless when you clean out your closet or you're gonna end up keeping everything. This dress, I think, is so pretty, and I got it from Buffalo Exchange, and I was really excited about it. And you know, sometimes when you're thrifting, you just end up buying things, at least I do this, I end up buying things that aren't exactly the right fit because I'm so excited about the deal, the good deal. But this really is too big for me. It just doesn't, I don't know. When I try to put it on, it's not very flattering because it is a little too big. So I think this is also gonna go. I already feel good about this. That was like a good little chunk of dresses that I don't wear. You know, you can make up excuses all you want, but sometimes it's just time to let things go. I got this last year. It says, "Happy when it rains," and I think it's cute, but like this isn't really my style anymore. I think this was my very brief phase of wanting to be like an Instagram baddie, and I don't know, it just doesn't suit me anymore. I think this is a super cute little tank. This is like Emma Chamberlain vibes, you know? Really comfy. This shirt, I've literally worn this, so many times that the tag thing is barely on it. I've worn this so much. I've had this for like 3 or 4 years. Just says the Jimi Hendrix Experience. It's like a nice classic little rocker. cutoff thingy, but I didn't wear it at all this summer, and this has been my go-to summer like throw-on shirt for years. So the fact that I didn't wear it this summer, I think, is a sign that it's time for a new home. Oh, I'm so sick. It's a nice black blouse, kind of like see-through. Really cute, flattering. It's from Vera Wang, but I just never wear it, so time to go. I never wear bodysuits. This is from Eero, which is a good designer. My old boss gave this to me, and I think it's super cute. I wore it a couple times, but I just don't like bodysuits. They just are uncomfortable. So this is also gonna go. This little green bomber, I've had this for so long. You can't really go wrong. It's just like a short green bomber, super lightweight. It's great for like early fall when it's still kind of warm out, but I just don't think I'm going to be wearing it at all this year. I think its time has come and gone for me. Here's another, it's kind of like Chanel vibes, this jacket, but it's also from the designer Eero. It's just a little too small for me on the arms, so whenever I try to put it on, it's like a little too tight when I try to lift up. So this guy is gonna go as well. Another Eero top. Also doesn't really fit me. I think I just grabbed a bunch of stuff that I thought was cute, but it doesn't actually fit. You know, you just get too excited. These sandals are from Dolce Vita. They're brand new. I literally only wore them a couple times. They sent them to me. I wore them for like a couple photo shoots, but they're just not really my exact style. They're close, but I just never reached towards them. So these are literally brand new. They're size, 8. I'm an 8. But yeah, really cute, brand new. Oh yeah, these are good. These I got from Nasty Gal. They have the cute little racer stripe on the side, and also they just don't fit me quite right. I think they're a little too small. They're size 8? Yeah, UK size 8. But they're just a little too small. Normally, I'm like a 2 or a 4. I'm like a 27 in Levi's. But something about these are just a little too small. They're brand new. Never even wore them. So snag these up if you can. Oh, here's another good one. Ugh. Another Nasty Gal purchase. This is a really cute, like I'm so sad that this doesn't fit me. I ordered a bunch of stuff from Nasty Gal and I didn't pay like the closest amount of attention to the sizes. And I don't know. It's just this one. So this skirt is so cute. I love the length. I love the style, but it's too big for me, sadly. It's a size small, but it's too big. So I'd say normally if you're like a medium, then this would probably fit you because it's way too big around the waist for me. But I love this skirt. It's really, really cute. Please someone buy it. Let it go to a good home. It's brand new. I remember that I put some things under the bed to donate a while ago. So I'm gonna put these in as well. These are all these things have like such memories. Such memories. This is I also wore this all the time when I had my old blog. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can really see it on camera, but it's like little roses, little fabric roses. It's black, it's kind of see-through. Honestly, really cute top. I feel like I was a little ahead of the curve with this top. I got this like 4 or 5 years ago. I don't know. But it's really cute, really flattering, but it's just over for me. I'm done. Time to move on. Good for a night out. I'm out of breath. Is my camera getting too hot? Is that what that means? You okay, sis? I'm gonna get rid of this bag. I think it would be the reason why I got it is because I think it'd be a good camera bag. It's like the perfect size to put your camera in. Has a lot of room on the inside. It's kind of like structured. And it's so cute. Like, I really do think it's cute, but I just have never worn it. I don't think red is really my go-to color. Yeah, it has these nice little studs on the bottom too. Honestly, a winner right here, so put that up as well. Okay, I'm back. I had to take a lunch break because I got really hungry. This is kind of fun. I haven't used Poshmark in like quite a few years. I used to do it in high school And I don't think I sold anything when I did it in high school, so I think I got a little sad and quit. But I just posted a bunch of stuff. I made everything pretty much $10. As you can see, I posted a bunch of stuff. Yeah, $10. Like, I'm just gonna, normally I would donate it anyway, so I might as well make it a price that you guys can actually afford and buy and not be like, you know, just easy peasy. If you guys want to check that out, this video is sponsored by Poshmark, if you didn't already get that gist. But that really doesn't mean anything. This was basically just a good excuse to get off my ass and actually clean out my closet. Sage is going to be really happy because all my clothes are starting to go on his side. And I have a bunch of things that I bought that there's no hangers for. So it's time. It was just time. And I'm glad that I could make a video out of it for you guys. It's like a triple whammy. You guys can get my clothes. I'll actually clean out my closet. And I get to make a video. Don't give me shit, please, for having this be sponsored. Like, you know, just relax, everybody. It's all good. This is exciting. So many people are like sharing my stuff and starting to follow me. I feel very flattered. This is exciting. I have 74 followers and I have no idea who any of them are or how they found me. But I'm excited. Please comment, let me know if you would like me to go through my beauty closet, beauty storage stuff, because I'm going to be doing that anyway. So just give me a little motivation to push through because there's a lot of it. And I think I might sell those on Poshmark too, like my old stuff. If it's not used, I'm going to do a giveaway, but if it's slightly used, I'm going to try to like sell it for barely any money on Poshmark if you guys want to try to buy it. I'm not sure if that's allowed, but I will investigate. Anywho, I was out of town for a week. Now I'm back. Lots of videos coming. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go download Poshmark. The link is in the bio. It's free. All my stuff's on it. Go look at it. I'll be really, really flattered and happy if you guys buy something from me. That'll be like really exciting because last time nobody bought anything from me and I cried and deleted the app. So hopefully someone buys my stuff this time. Anyway, love you guys. I hope you have a great week and I will see you next time. Bye.